How are you gonna pitch the boss on a campaign we just came up with?
It's a little thing called aura farming, right, Isla?
If you've heard of it, no one says it anymore.
Pitching is easy. Just drop a casual remark about the time I discovered Mr.
Wait, do people sometimes say no when you guys ask for things? That must really suck.
Okay, guys, just relax, okay? Just use Generate Presentation in Acrobat to turn our work into a polished presentation in seconds. Bam, and just text me the link.
Liam is ready for you.
We got it. Go ahead, please.
You are strong. You are powerful. You are full of earth juices. You will grow tall and beautiful and emotionally intelligent. You are the main character of your own story.
You're 3 o'clock, Mr. Gilroy.
Yes. It's my plant Todd.
Shoes off.
Yeah. My nervous system is so primed for your pitch. This morning, I visualized it while holding my breath for an hour in a float tank. Oxytocin?
I'm okay.
You sure? It's super pure.
I'm all dosed up.
All right, fill me up with this pitch.
The pitch.
The bitch.
I got a pitch itch, and it needs a scratch.
Boom! Presentation ready.
That was quicker than my marriage to Betty.
Now all we have to do is text us in the link.
Hold up. Are you really going to use a template without customizing it?
Why not?
It's tending non-playable.
What's that?
In last year's lingo, it's giving NPC.
Still nothing.
I'll take it from here.
Okay, so the pitch. They didn't text yet.
How's it taking so long? Generate presentation takes like 2 seconds.
A lot of intense coughing going on over there. Good thing I started off my day with some unpasteurized yak plasma straight from the teat.
We're gonna have to stall.
How?
Okay, we've got our branding in there.
As an accent color, how's turquoise?
Turquoise just a science chopple game.
Hey.
Yeah.
Heads up. There we go. No look.
How about that, though?
Station.
These numbers are so try-hard.
It's a data presentation.
Back in my day, we pitched with nothing more than hand-drawn storyboards, a carton of smokes, and misogyny.
Pick a card, any card.
Can't. Gnarly gambling addiction. No way.
That's fair.
All right, I'm calling it.
Bruh,
We're going with this theme.
it's kind of a burgundy flag, but I guess it does pass the vibe check.
Texting us in the link now.
And now I will make her reappear.
What?
Oh my God, finally. And that concludes the right brain portion of our presentation. Now, of course, we have also generated a presentation that includes data from our most recent marketing analytics.
Yes. Approved.
Oh my God.
Yep.
Yes.
Wait, you don't want to see all the data?
Hasan, data is like a fire extinguisher. Doesn't matter what's in it. Do you know what's in it?
No?
What matters is that it's there. That's what makes us feel safe. Now get the out of here and start making this thing. I've got my serotonin transfusion.
Serotonin transfusion?
Every Tuesday, I get 3 pints from a young man who just scored a touchdown. It feels exactly like scoring a touchdown.
Next time on The Marketers.
What do you think about me taking the lead on set today?
No, this is a big presentation for me, and we cannot have anything go wrong. Okay, Patty?
Nothing.